yeah, I really like this backyard.
I'm gonna get her a new phone case because it's broken. Daniela just hit 1 million. No fucking way! Happy 1 million to Daniela Perkins. On a merry way. Quick intermission, if you guys don't know, I'm giving away a Canon M50, which is the camera I use, one of these candles, a disposable camera, an Urban Outfitters self-care book, AirPod Pros. All you guys gotta do is subscribe to the channel that you're watching right now, follow my Instagram, which is @maiphammy, and just be active. I'm just gonna be choosing a comment from my Instagram, so just make sure to always be commenting on December 25th, and if you guys want an extra entry, just follow my TikTok. Alright. Oh my god, there's a grease stain, probably from me eating Popeyes. Hey guys, my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of the comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you want to help us out. Hi. Okay, so I have to not scream this because what if she hears, but basically, if y'all don't know, I live with Daniela for the past like year now, and I met her like 2 years ago, and she helped me with my nose job and everything like that. She took care of me. Every time I'm in LA, she picks me up from the airport, she lets me stay at her house, and she does the absolute fucking most. She drives me anywhere I want to go. This bitch is... That's all I gotta say is she's a real one. Anyways, I sometimes like Daniela, and she drove to Big Bear to surprise me. She drove 3 hours and she bought me these Christian Dior earrings and everything. Like, this bitch does everything for me, and she's a real one. She was like my first friend when I came to LA. I remember she DM'd me. She was like my biggest fan. She DM'd me and she followed me on Instagram, and I never followed her back because I didn't know who she was, and she kept following me and refollowing me to see until I noticed, and then I finally searched her up and I was like, oh, she's a YouTuber too. So then I followed her back, and then we started DMing, and then we started talking, and whenever I was out in LA, we decided to hang out, and ever since then, we've been best friends ever since. So I thought I would do something nice for her and surprise her with some gifts. So today, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I got her car keys, and if you know Daniela, you know she always fucking loses her car keys. Like, anytime you're about to go somewhere, she's like, where are my car keys? Like, can you help me find my car keys? We can't go anywhere until I have my car keys. She always loses her car keys, and keep in mind, she's never had a keychain. She's had her cars for like 2-3 years now, and she's never had a keychain. She always loses her freaking keys. So I have this keychain. I never lose this thing. I used to lose my cards all the time, my keys all the time, but until I have this bright red big thing, you can't lose it. So I decided to get her an off-white keychain as well because she wanted one, and she wanted the yellow one. So I ordered her an off-white one, and it's in this bag right here. So we gotta go in like literally like 10 minutes. So my plan is she's gonna be like, Mai, where's my keys? And then I'm gonna be like, I don't know, I gave them back to you. She's like, no, you didn't. I'm like, yeah, I did. And I'm like, oh wait, I found them. And then I'm gonna give her this, and she's gonna be like, what the fuck? We're gonna attach her key onto here. Boom. Now she has a keychain. This is what it looks like. I think she's really gonna like it. I got her this little keychain thingy that has a little purse on it because that is so Daniela, and it says I love Canada because she always calls me her Canadian friend because I don't know, she has no other fucking words in her vocabulary to describe me. She could call me anything else, but she always says my Canadian friend, my Canadian friend. I don't think she's expecting this because it's like a Christmas gift, but it's literally December whatever, but I leave on Monday, so I'm starting this vlog so late, but whatever, it's gonna be a fun one, guys. Snip the tag off. Boom. She's gonna be like, mine, where are my keys? And I'm gonna be like, oh, is this what you're talking about? And it has a little purse that has a Canadian little maple leaf on it, and it says I love Canada, and it has a shoe on it. This is so cute. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the next gift. It's been hiding up here this whole time, and it's been next to her Dior bag that she got me. But basically, she's been talking about this necklace that I always wear. Like, this is like my staple big necklace that I always wear, and she's been talking about it. She's like, I want it, I want it, I want it. But she's been saving up to buy a house, so she hasn't been spending her money lately, like at all. When I first met Daniela, she spent so much of her money on clothes. She would buy whatever she found, and now for the past like couple months, like I'd say 6 months, she hasn't been spending her money at all, so she doesn't buy anything anymore. But her like 6 months ago would have bought this necklace in a heartbeat, but she doesn't do that anymore because she wants to buy a house, which is the reason why we're having so many moving vlog videos, is because she's buying a house, and that's the reason why she didn't buy this necklace. So I got this for her when I was in Toronto because it was out of stock in Canada for the longest time, so I had to buy mine in Greece, and same thing with Adeline, but I found it in Canada and I had to buy it because I knew that this is what I was gonna get her. This is gonna be her next gift, but I don't know how I should do it. Should I put it in her car? Yeah, because then she'll be like, oh my god, thank you, when she gets her car keys to open up her car, and then this will be on her seat. She'll be like, what the fuck? So should I put this on her seat right now? Because after this is the first surprise, and she's gonna go in her car and be like, what the fuck? Okay guys, let's go put this in Daniela's car. Danny, when do we have to go? 10 minutes? Okay. Okay, I'm going in her back seat just in case she looks out her window. There we go. Mission accomplished. Should I put a sweater over it? Put this sweater over it. She'll never know. I'm scheming. What?
This is a good title.
Get ready with me vacation edit.
Edition.
Vacation edition. Put in Hawaii. People love Hawaii videos.
Hawaii?
In Hawaii. No, without any brackets. We should go. We got to go to see the Nick's house. She said Justin has to drive.
Guys, I'm leaving now!
Why does Justin drive it?
Because I'm 2 miles and I can't come to get gas without a car.
Alright, this is the next house. Piano will go here. We're in the new house. That could be a potential.
Kind of small.
Yeah. To the back. Backyard's fucking massive.
I like it.
I like the backyard. Kitchen. Ugh. I love this sink. Beautiful. It has a carburetor too. A bidet. A bidet. Oh, this connects to another room. Danny's room is huge. And then, holy crap. The way that this bathroom is just like so open and big, and I love this tub. This tub is amazing. I think that this is a 10 out of 10 room. That's a huge closet. This is a huge bathroom. This room is huge, and it already has lights up there. You just have to switch it. Oh my god, this would be so good for filming. What do you guys think of this house? Let me know. It's kind of small though compared to the other one. What's this? Oh, another room that has a bathroom. Okay. Okay.
It's like they renovated like the bathroom.
What the?
Where's that?
To the hall? Isn't the backyard clutch? Oh, I love this backyard. This location is really good because the other house is like how far away? Like 20, 30 away, but this one's only like 10 away from where everything's happening. But I don't know, I feel like it's small.
I feel like you like the idea of the other house, and so do I. I just like the other house better.
So currently they want to put an offer on this house, and what's happening is this house already has 5 offers. It went up on the market 7 hours ago, has 5 offers, but they're all in the mid 800s, so that'd be 850. Her house right now that she's in escrow for is she put an offer in for 835. So I told her if she wants to get the house, she needs to put no conditions, which means that if anything's wrong with the house, they don't have to fix it. But that's risky since this house was built in 2003. It's a lot easier to do it to a house when it's newly built, but since this is a little older, but this is just in a lot better location, but we'll see.
Baby, you little Christmas dog.
We're about to leave to go get Daniela's cake. Do you guys have all day breakfast?
No, sorry, we don't serve breakfast at 11.
Okay, can I get a 10-piece chicken nugget meal? A large unsweetened iced tea. Currently, we are headed to Best Buy so I can get Danny her last gift because she didn't even open it yesterday when I intended to because she's so busy. So I still have her car keys and everything. We're gonna go to Best Buy so I can get her a new phone case like I was talking about. Did I talk about it? I don't know. But basically, she has a phone case and it's like all messed up. I'll show you guys later. But I'm gonna get her a new phone case because it's broken, and then we're gonna go to get her a cake, and then we're gonna go home and go happy 1 million. First stop McDonald's though because I'm hungry. All right. So now I'm headed into Best Buy to get her the phone case and also a screen protector. Also my eyelashes, I slept on them and they look bonk, but honestly I don't care. Like, why would I care? No one's taking pictures of me. But Daniela just hit 1 million followers. So proud of my baby. Respect the drip. Champion sent me these M&M slides and I've just been wearing them. Time to get a cake.
So cute.
Which one? Which one?
That's cute. I don't think anybody would like it, but I like it.
I think it's cute too. She has so many gifts. Daniela has an iPhone 11 Pro, right?
I have no idea.
Okay. Well, I hope I got the right case. That took forever. It literally took like 20 minutes for someone to get the case for me. All right, we got the cake. All right, boom. Now we gotta put this in. Put a 1 million. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. Okay. Hi. All right. Okay. Hopefully I don't blow it out. That'd be embarrassing. Happy 1 million! Happy 1 million! We hit 1 million! Happy 1 million to Daniela Perkins! Happy 1 million to Daniela Perkins! Happy 1 million to Daniela Perkins! Happy 1 million to her! Woo! Hopefully it stays. No, it will. You're at 1,002,000 already. Oh, so yummy. I was scheming this whole morning.
Danny, do you have your car keys?
Time for Danny to find her car keys. Where are your car keys, bitch? I don't know. You literally lose them every day.
I romanticize
So pretty.
fast-paced lifestyle.
Is this me? Yeah, it's yours. It's your new keychain since you always lose them. What the fuck? Literally every day you're like, oh, I don't know where my car keys are. I don't know where my car keys are.
Wait,
How many times have I told you?
Why did I not see that?
I've had your car keys for the past 2 days.
Oh, I think you got me too.
No. I'm so sorry.
It's so pretty. Well, right when I picked it up, I said, this is so pretty.
Justin, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize. No.
I didn't think he would get you the same thing.
Okay, well, go to your car. There's something in your car for you. I literally did this yesterday for you, but you said, let's go take Justin's car.
Really?
Where's Justin? Hold on. You're not allowed to open it yet.
Wait, is that why? Dude, I almost opened my car yesterday. I was like, why is this there? I just thought it was so bizarre. I was like, I put this in a different car.
Open it.
I see Dior.
Yeah.
I feel like I kind of.
Was like, what the heck? You got me Dior, and I already had Dior for you like 3 weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah, I bought this like 3 weeks ago in Canada.
No fucking way!
Now we're matching.
This is what I wanted for so long. Thank you. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Wow, now we're matching.
Oh my God.
Yeah, when you surprised me with Dior, I was like, bitch, I already thought about
so
that.
pretty. I was
You need
thinking,
to put it on.
I was like, I want. This is like the only real gold necklace I have. And I was like, I want like real.
freaking pretty. Put it on her, Mai. Let me hold it.
Boom.
Ah, so pretty. Oh, pretty.
Wow, you're a cushion
Look
Dior,
at that.
girl.
Thank you, Mai.
Oh, and then I have one stupid last present for you.
Really?
Yeah. It's a stupid little one though. But see, it has a little Canada keychain on it.
I don't even know why I looked at my bed. I said, I can't put my keys anywhere. I can't put my keys anywhere. And then
while
I'm
you
like,
were in the
oh, this is so
That's what
cute.
you wanted for so
I picked this up and I said, this is so cute because I thought you just got like a different color one. Because she has a red one with all her keys. So I thought she like switched it out. I was like, this is so cute. And then I was like, Mai, why do you have my keys on here? And I was like, wait. Is this mine? Oh
Why does your phone have a case on it?
Because I broke it.
Is this the Max?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I was wrong. I was wrong. I thought you had just the regular one. Whatever, you can return it and exchange it. It's a new phone case.
Oh, because I broke mine.
You need to go exchange it. I thought you had just the regular one.
Yo, you literally got me the same exact one though. Thank
you said you liked it. Anyways,
Hey.
ciao. The way you just cut this cake, she cut right there and now she's cutting it.
I don't know how to do it. I can't.
What?
It's so tough. I cut the card. I can't do this, Mike. Can we do the wine glass thing?
No, it don't work on an ice cream cake. Why would you do this?
It's ice cream.
It's stuck.
Cut it like ice cream.
I told you, it's not just me.
I don't know why you stabbed it like this.
See? We need something else.
No, we got it.
Oh, I've never had ice cream cake.
What? It's so good. It's the best. We pulled up to the next house to view it, but we're literally, I'm in a hoodie, some sweatpants, some slides. She's wearing just like a hoodie. We're all just wearing slides.
there's my mom, actually.
And there's so many people out front waiting to view this house, and they all look well put together, and we look like shit. I like it. I think it's so good for the location. Yeah, I really like this backyard. I like how the fences are fences so the dogs won't be able to jump out. Garage. Oh my god, there's carpet in the bathroom.
Probably. But this is more wider than the other one. I think was longer.
I mean, our bathroom now is kind of like this.
Yeah.
This is a good sized closet. Another
This
room.
is in Santa Clarita.
Another room. It's only 4 bedrooms?
Yeah.
Where's the cat?
I was looking for him.
It ran
I
out.
mean the bed.
I really
But
like
she
this
wanted
view though.
a-
What do you think, Danny?
I just feel like I'm putting an offer in on every house I see.
I like this one. The one we saw yesterday I was really iffy about, but this is good, I think.
Really?
Yeah, this is way better than the one yesterday in my opinion. That one where you would have to...
have an island if we make this one marble.
I like this. This feels so nice to me. I don't know why. I love it. The one we saw yesterday, I hated the upstairs. It felt so closed.
I like this. I can have the piano going right there.
And then over there could be another room, and you have 2 living rooms. I think that this is a go. This has a good location. All right, so sorry for the random ending. I don't know why I didn't make an outro, but comment of the day goes to Patty_Priv. She said, I watch all your videos. They are so entertaining, and you are such a kind soul. Thank you. Anyways, family shout out of the day, which is like a fan page shout out of the day, goes to maiphammy L. She posted this really cute edit. If you guys want to be family shout out of the day or comment of the day, just make sure to follow my Instagram and comment, or just make a fan page, and I'll try to shout you guys out. Anyways, make sure to enter my giveaway if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.